Welcome, my dear students. Hope you are fine. Now, just listen to me. In the last class, we have planned or we have already dealt regarding direct and indirect. First one, we have seen about statement or affirmative. Conjunction is that, ordinary said to will become told regarding affirmative. The other changes regarding tenses will be the same in all categories. Second one, we have seen interrogative. One is WH type model, another is verbal question model. Said to will become asked. Conjunction is WH type in WH type question word itself. Whereas in verbal question, if or whether is the conjunction. Now, we are just going to deal with third one. What is the third one? From direct to indirect speeches. Now, listen carefully. This is direct speech. The changes in indirect speech. Changes in G. In indirect speeches. Now, listen me carefully. Said to will become ordered. Said to will become ordered. If ordered, in case the question, that sentence creates an order, authoritative type of talking. The headmaster calls peon. How he will call? Hi, peon, come here. This is a way of ordering. If it is in the case of order, then said to will become ordered. Again, conjunction is to. If the sentence is positive, don't worry about positive. It is only in the sentence. Nowadays we are afraid about positive, corona positive. So, it's not like that. It's from, in case, now listen to me carefully. Now, when the sentence is positive, say for an example, the headmaster ordered the peon, called peon and said, don't close the door. It's an order. The beggar begs for alms. Alms. So that's called to be requested. Depending upon the situation of sentence, depending upon the meaning of the sentence, depending upon the situation and the place with regard to the time, will also concord to conjunction. If it is a positive, it is to. Say for example, if it is negative, the teacher calls students, don't talk, then not to talk. Here the teacher asks the students to close the door. So to close, when there is a positive, it will become to. When there is a negative, it has to become not to. Conjunction is to and not to. Shall we get into the sentence? Let's try. Now, the headmaster said to peon, get the staff register. The master said to peon, get the staff register now. Get the staff register now. Or get, you can say bring also, it's of nothing harm. Now, the headmaster said to, what will become? Ordered. Listening me? Ordered. order, peon. What is the conjunction? See, if there is a word like don't get, then our answer is not to. When it starts, usually you can easily find out the imperative type of sentence. No, that in inverted comma it starts from the verb. It starts from the verb. So we can directly say that it is an imperative type of direct and indirect speeches. Now, 2. So now the master ordered him to get. See, G should appear in small. Here it is in capital. It should appear in small. Don't forget. Remove comma and over quotation. Don't attach here. So get the staff, register. Now will become what? Then. Okay. Again I repeat. Some of you have asked me to repeat, so I am repeating it. The headmaster said to the peon, get the staff register now. Okay. It's a direct speech. How we find? There is comma, inverted comma, and closure quotation, and then full stop. So it's going to be direct speech. When to change into indirect speech, the headmaster said to will become ordered, because it's a type of authoritative type. It is called to be imperative type. So that the word or the sentence here inside of the inverted comma starts from verb. So it is totally an imperative. In case if you have got it out, you are welcome to ask me. But once completely see the video and watch the video, please. Though you might have been well versed in knowledge regarding English grammar also, I don't blame anyone else or don't criticize anyone else. But you must have to listen properly and ask me. In case you have got any doubt, I am ready to explain you. You are welcome. I do feel happy in explaining to you. Now, the context within the inverted comma starts from verb. Definitely it is an imperative. See, that the inverted comma sentence has no negative sense. No, say don't get. What is not? Conjunction is not. It starts from positive get. So, to has to be adopted in the place of conjunction. So, to get the staff register now will become then. We had already studied. Now will become then. Okay? That's all. The beggar said to the rich man, give me some alms. Give me some alms. I'll write again. Give me some alms. Let's try by yourself. Let's try by ourselves. Give me some alms. Now listen to me. The beggar is begging the rich man, give me some alms. Like. So what happens? What is down here? The beggar said to what will become? Ordered or requested? Requested. Why? Because the beggar is begging. Begging is nothing but requesting. Okay? Shall I have to explain in Tamil? In case if you are asking to explain in Tamil, kindly you can tell me in teachment class or any time. Kindly tell me in teachment class itself. Okay. The beggar said to requested. The rich man. What is the conjunction? To. Because it starts from the verb. Okay? Starts from the verb. There is no question mark. If it is a question mark, what will become? It will become, there is no question mark. So if there is a question mark, what will happen? That will become interrogative, verbal type of questions. As there is no verbal question mark, we cannot say that it is verbal type of question. Automatically we can know that give me some arms, the beggar is begging. We don't need to depend upon interrogative, okay? Doesn't matter, just listen. So the beggar requested the rich man. Suppose if you want to write instead of requested, if you are writing begged, okay? Begged, okay? Begged the rich man, okay? Nothing wrong. So joining word or conjunction is true. In case don't give there is the word don't give. What will happen? Not to will have to be adopted in the place of conjunction. Okay, so to give, G has to disappear, small g will have to come here. Okay, give, me refers to beggar. Beggar may be she or he. In case if he is he, so let me will become what? Him. Okay, some arms, full stop. That's all. Some arms, full stop. If then, see, listen, again I repeat, kindly listen. The beggar said to the rich man, give me some alms. So, yeah. So, the beggar said to will become requested or begged. The rich man, to, joiner. Conjunction is to. The give will become, G will become small. Me refers to the beggar. So when beggar is asking directly, it is me. When we are writing the beggar, begged, rich man, he. So him, me will become him. Him some alms. That's all. Okay. Thank you. I will continue. Listen carefully. See. She said to her manager, allow me to take 2 days leave. What is the sense of the sentence? She is requesting or ordering the manager. Requesting. So what will become? Said to will become requested. So let us try to change. Shri. Let me write fully. Shri said to. What will happen? She said to beg a request, right? She cannot order the manager, but the manager can order the street, but street. She is female. So, requester, we change it to requester. Okay? Her manager, say, her manager. Okay, what is that here? It is the verb starts from positive. What is the joiner or conjunction? To. When it is don't allow, the conjunction is not to. So to. Okay, to. A will become small. A. Allow me. Me refers to whom? She. So what will become? When she is asking directly to the manager, me. But when we are writing the answer, what will happen? Her. Me will become her. So her. To. Take 2 days leave. Now inverted comma closer quotation. Just full stop. That's all. So, allow her to take 2 days leave. That's all. Now, it's very easy to understand. Still, once again, let me explain you. She said to her manager, allow me to take 2 days leave. She said to will become requested. Her manager, conjunction is true. A, it starts from capital in inverted comma starting. So A has to be, capital A has to be removed, small a has to be inserted. So allow me refers to Sri. So Sri here is Sri. So that will become her. Okay, to take to be. Closure quotation should not be again written again. Closure quotation will be left over and then near full stop. That's enough. Okay. The teacher said to the student, don't talk louder. Okay. Now the teacher. Listen me carefully. The teacher. Okay. Teacher said it true. What will become? Harder, because teacher is telling to student, don't talk louder. So, said will become what? Order. See, you can also order, you can also say commanded. The teacher commanded or order the students. Okay? What is the conjunction here? We studied to or not to. If it is positive, we have to use to. If it is negative, what will happen? Here we will have to use not to. Not to. Not to is the conjunction here. Please keep in your mind. Not to. Not don't is there in the sense not to. Don't is in the sense not to. So you can straight away use the verb here. Not to talk. Talk louder. Okay? Not to talk louder. Clear? Okay. Now listen me. Fifth one. See, again I repeat. The teacher said to student, don't talk louder. So, the teacher ordered the student. Conjunction is not to because it is in the form of negative. So not to has to be used. So not to is used. Get the verb. In the place of don't, not to is there. So don't repeat, don't again. So not to talk louder. I believe that's very clear to you. Okay? Now, listen me carefully. In case you are given some exercises to change from direct to indirect, you will have to try by yourself. And you are still cooperating well. I am very happy about your previous performance because most of you have taken 20 out of 20. Okay? 10 out of 10 with 20 out of 20. Thank you. That will decide. The watchman. See, listen. The watchman said to the owner, please give me bonus. How can we decide what type of sentence it is an imperative? Why, how? There is the word please. When there is the word please, when the word please comes, what will happen? That is called to be request or begging. So what happens? The watchman. What will come here? The watchman. The watchman. Okay. Subject to will become requested. Requested or begged. The owner. Okay. The owner. Owner. See. Please is taken into requested form. Okay. So here what? Joining. Conjunction. Conjunction is what? What is the conjunction there? To. If it is a negative sentence, not to. So to give. Please is replaced by requested. Please is replaced by requested. So the watchman requested the owner to give. Me. Me will become what? The owner. Okay? No, not the owner. The watchman is requesting. Give him. So when he says directly me, when we are writing him, me has to be changed into him. So give him bonus. Okay? B stands with capital small, nothing In case if you want to write B in small, you can write. Doesn't matter. That's not the matter. Now, please has to be removed. It has come in the case of request. Okay. See, if you have got any doubt, you are welcome to ask me. One more sentence we are going to see. Few more sentences we will try to see. Okay. The students said to the teachers, teacher, please don't punish us. What is our response? Right? What is our response? The students said to the teacher, please don't punish us. Very easy. Kindly listen. The students said to will become what? Because please is there. So requested. The teacher. Comma over quotation is not necessary when we are changing into indirect speech. So now, comma over quotation is okay. We have already mentioned. Anyway, the teacher will come as it is. See, the teacher. The teacher. Please will be removed because it is in the place of requested. It is in the place of requested. Comma over quotation will be removed because we are changing into indirect speech. Direct speech is being changed into indirect speech. So, please is there. So, capital should be avoided. Don't will become what? It is in the form of negative sentence. What will have to come? Not to. Conjunction is not to. Okay? Not to. So, punish will be the same word. Punish. Us refers to students. Us, when they are asking directly, it is us. What about when we are writing? The student, they requested the teacher not to punish us will become them. Clear? Again I repeat. Sadhu is becoming requested because there is a word please. This and all you can know. The students requested the teacher, don't, please is there, don't will become not to because it is in the form of negative sentence. So, not to will have to be adopted. Not to, that verb has to come again. As refers to the student, so automatically as will become them. Okay, them. Now just listen to me carefully. See, recapitulation that we are going to see now. Right from the beginning, what we have started, tell me, first is affirmative, indirect speech and indirect speech, from direct to indirect. Second, we have seen interrogative. In interrogative, there are two types. One is WH type, another is verbal type of question. And third one is imperative. First, affirmative, second interrogative, third one is imperative. In second type, we have got two things, two subdivisions. One is WH type question sentence. Second one, in second subsection, verbal type of questions. Okay. Now, this is the third one, imperative. See, what we have to think over is, first one, speaker and listener. We'll have to keep in our mind. The place of that, what speaker is saying to listener, that word saying, that will become according to the type of sentence. Say if it is an ordinary sentence, said will become told. If it is a type of interrogative, said will become questioned, asked, inquired whether it has to come. In the same type, verbal type also asked, inquired, likewise question even can use. In type of imperative, should will become a requested or order. In case of the sentence is referring to request or begging, it has to be changed as, say for example, please. When the please word comes, definitely it shows the request. So we have to use request. When there is no such word like please, say for example, when the commander is ordering the police, we cannot say commander is requesting the police. So we will have to say automatically the commander is ordering the police. So that in that place, Sadhu will become order. One more thing we will have to think it over. There is a, see, if it is a positive sentence, it is joining word, that is conjunction is to here. If it is negative, we have to use not to. After to or not to comes, directly verb will come. This, see, here don't entirely see in the place of not to. Here place, after that verb comes, you can easily note out that to, after that we will come. So likewise, you have to decide, even after with a very good explanation by God's grace, if you don't still understand, you can ask it yourself, or you can ask me directly in the teaching class, or anything possible. Okay? Kindly spend some time listening and watching the videos. Better you get prepared well also, because all other things other than Tamil, you are reading and writing in English, but you need to get into a knowledge level, English knowledge level. You should have to increase your English knowledge level. Kindly do it better. I hope you will do. Wish you all success. And thank you. That's all.